Hello friends, in this video we are going to see about the NEET questions that are asked in NCERT class 11 biology. Identify the wrong statement with reference to transport of oxygen. Remember that PO2, higher PO2, low PCO2, low H plus concentration, low temperature favors the formation of oxyhemoglobin or favors the dissociation of carbon dioxide from carbaminohemoglobin, whereas high PCO2, high temperature, high H plus concentration and low PO2 favors the formation of carbaminohemoglobin, or it results in the dissociation of oxygen from oxyhemoglobin. So it is also provided in NCERT. Lesser H plus concentration favorable for the formation of oxyhemoglobin, but it's given higher H plus concentration, hence wrong statement. Which of the following is not an inhibitory substance? Since not an inhibitory substance, it must be promoting substance. Plant growth promoters example are auxin, gibberellin, cytokinins. So gibberellin is promoting one, not inhibiting one. Next question, select the correct events that occur during inspiration. During inspiration, the events that occur. Inspiration is initiated by the contraction of diaphragm, which increases the volume of the thoracic chamber and the antero-posterior axis. Here the vertical axis is the antero-posterior axis. The contraction of the external intercostal muscles lifts up the ribs and the sternum, causing an increase in the volume of the thoracic chamber and the dorsoventral axis. The diaphragm, when getting contract, moves in the downward direction. As a result, the volume increases in the vertical axis. When the external intercostal muscles contract, they also move in the outward direction, and thereby there is an increase in volume of the thorax in horizontal axis, or which we call it as dorsoventral axis in here, and thereby there is a much increase in the volume of the lung. Thoracic volume increases, the pulmonary volume increases, and the intrapulmonary pressure decreases. And due to this pressure difference between the atmosphere and the lungs, some amount of air move from the higher pressure to the lower pressure. The higher pressure is the atmosphere and the lower pressure is present in the lungs, which is caused due to an increase in pulmonary volume. Hence, the events that occur during inspiration include contraction of diaphragm, contraction of external intercostal muscles, and pulmonary volume increases, not decreases, and intrapulmonary pressure decreases, not increases. The oxygenation activity of Rubisco enzyme and photorespiration leads to the formation of. So Rubisco enzyme has both carboxylase property and oxygenase property, but only oxygenase property is observed in case of photorespiration. Supposing there is a case where oxygen is abundant around the leaf, in that case Rubisco will not perform carboxylase activity, instead it goes for oxygenase activity. And photorespiration is a wasteful process because the energy is consumed without synthesizing any further energy. C3 pathway and C4 pathway generate energy, they consume little amount of energy, and they create surplus amount of energy. Extra amount of energy will always be created in C3 as well as C4 pathway. But in photorespiration, lot of energy will be consumed, but the energy that is produced will be less than the energy consumed. Hence, photorespiration is a wasteful process, and it is observed when Rubisco exhibits oxygenase property. You could check here, Rubisco or some O2 does bind to Rubisco, and hence carbon dioxide fixation is decreased. Here the RuBP, instead of being converted to two molecules of PGA, which is C3 pathway, it binds, instead of that it binds with oxygen to form one molecule of phosphoglycerate. If you check glycolysis, you come to know that phosphoglycerate is a 3 carbon compound and phosphoglycolate is a 2 carbon compound. It produces 3 carbon 2 carbon compound. Looking at the options, you have one molecule of 3 carbon compound and no option indicates one molecule of 2 carbon compound. So it's better to go with the first option. If the third option provides one molecule of 3 carbon compound and one molecule of 2 carbon compound, obviously the third one will be the right one. In light reaction, plastoquinone facilitates the transfer of electrons from. It's a diagram based question. The plastoquinone is present in here. It facilitates the transfer of electrons from PS2 to cytochrome B6F complex. A direct diagram based question. PS2 to cytochrome B6F complex. The QRS complex in a standard ECG represents depolarization of ventricle. Excitation, contraction, depolarization, etc. refer to the same thing. So the P wave represents the contraction of the atria or excitation or depolarization of the atria. QRS complex followed by the contraction of atria, there will be contraction of ventricles. The QRS complex represent the contraction of the ventricles and T wave represent the repolarization or the relaxation of the ventricles. Next question. Identify the incorrect statement. Sapwood is the innermost secondary xylem is a wrong statement. It is a peripheral one. You could also expect videos based on all these confusing parts soon in this channel. You could see the region comprises dead elements with highly lignified walls is called heartwood. It does not conduct water, it gives mechanical support, and the peripheral region of the secondary xylem is lighter in color and is known as sapwood. So peripheral region, it's not the innermost one, it occupies the periphery. Next question, which of the following statements are true for the phylum Chordata? In Urochordata, a notochord extends from head to tail and it is present throughout their life. This would have been correct if Urochordata is replaced by Cephalochordata. In Urochordata, the notochord is present only in the larval tail. Vertebrata notochord is present during the embryonic period only, because later stages it will be replaced by vertebral column. Central nervous system is dorsal and hollow, correct. Chordata is divided into 3 subphyla: Hemichordata, Tunicata and Cephalochordata, wrong. Hemichordata instead of hemichordata, vertebrata must be the correct word. Hemichordata is not placed under chordata. You could check all these chordates: notochord present, dorsal, hollow and single, urochordata, cephalochordata, vertebrata, not hemichordata. Urochordates, notochord is present only in larval tail. Next question. Presence of which of the following condition in urine are indicative of diabetes mellitus? It's a direct statement. For a presence of glucose is glycosuria. Presence of glucose in urine is glycosuria, and presence of ketone bodies in urine is ketonuria, are indicative of diabetes mellitus. So direct statement. Thank you.